Tongda CNC Henan Company Limited, referred to as Tongda CNC, was established in 2021. Now it is mainly engaged in the R&D and manufacturing of precision CNC machine tools, machining center series, high-speed gantry series, heavy-duty gantry series, engraving and milling machine series, drilling center series, etc. The company's products are exported to North America, Africa, and other countries. Our company has an independent scientific research and innovation platform, focusing on the transformation and application of scientific research achievements, constantly promoting the commercialization and industrialization of technology